Scientists in research and drug development use cell surface markers to bind and internalize molecules to specific cell types. Eliminating specific cell types can reveal the function of the cell and its impact on behavior. Advanced Targeting Systems has an amazing technology that can save scientists time and resources to identify cell surface markers that are expressed on particular cells. It's called the Biotin-Z Internalization Kit. The Biotin-Z Internalization Kit screens biotinylated molecules that recognize cell surface markers to determine their specificity to a particular cell. In vitro or in vivo applications provide definitive results. If the biotinylated molecule is specific to the cells you want to target, the cells die. The biotinylated molecule must match two qualifications. First, it must be recognized on the cell surface, and second, it must be internalized. Here's how it works. Streptavidin is conjugated to a ribosome-activating protein called saccharin. Saccharin is unable to enter a cell on its own. Mix the biotinylated molecule with the streptavidin-saccharin conjugate. The agent is now armed and able to zap any cell it enters. The biotinylated molecule binds to a cell surface marker and is internalized, taking the saccharin inside the cell with it. Once inside the cell, saccharin inactivates the ribosome, shutting down protein synthesis and causing cell death. Only the cells that recognize your biotinylated molecule will be affected. Screen your biotinylated molecule to find the most specific agent for your research or drug development application. Some examples of appropriate molecules to use are antibodies, peptides, growth factors, cytokines, and lectins. You can use the Biotin-Z Internalization Kit to screen your biotinylated molecule in an in vitro cytotoxicity assay to determine if your target cells are eliminated. The biotin-streptavidin bond is strong enough so that you can also screen a biotinylated molecule in vivo. Functional and behavioral assays will reveal the effect of elimination of cells that recognize your biotinylated molecule. Use the data generated using the Biotin-Z Kit to write your next publication, apply for grant funding, or move your drug development efforts to the next level. Visit the ATS website to find the Biotin-Z Kit that is right for your application.